Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body during a 7-day water fast? On day 1, your body uses up the glucose stored in your liver and muscles for energy, and you may feel hungry, tired, or irritable as your blood sugar levels drop. By day 2, your body has used most of its glycogen stores and starts switching to fat for fuel. This process is called ketosis, and it produces ketones, which become your brain's new energy source. You might feel a bit weak or dizzy as your body adapts, but many people also start to feel mental clarity as ketone levels rise. On day 3, your body is fully in ketosis. Hunger hormones like ghrelin begin to decrease, and you feel less hungry despite not eating. Your energy stabilizes, but your breath might develop a fruity smell because of acetone, a type of ketone being released. By day 4, your body begins deep cellular cleaning through a process called autophagy, where old or damaged cells are broken down and recycled for energy and repair. This is one of the key benefits of fasting and is linked to longevity and disease prevention. On day 5, your body continues to burn fat rapidly for fuel, and you may notice reduced inflammation, less joint pain, and improved focus, but you could also feel weaker physically because your body is conserving energy. On day 6, growth hormone levels increase significantly to protect your muscles and promote healing. Many people feel a calm, meditative state as their body adapts completely to fasting. By day 7, your body has become efficient at using fat and ketones for fuel, inflammation continues to drop, autophagy remains active, and your insulin levels are at their lowest, improving insulin sensitivity long term. However, your electrolyte levels may become dangerously low by this stage if you are not supplementing properly, leading to potential heart or nerve problems. That's why it's crucial to plan your fast carefully and break it safely. If you want to learn the safest way to break a long water fast and avoid refeeding syndrome, watch my next video where I guide you step by step through the refeeding process. Subscribe for more science-based health insights. Stay smart and stay safe.